people! Today we are making super good creeper farm. First dig out these blocks. Then put this in here. Then get hopper. Put hopper here and here. Then dig blocks down. Then put this here. Then put chest under hopper. Then you can put some lava on here, on the hoppers. Then you put cobblestone here and dispenser on it. Then you get creeper spawn eggs. Then you spam them in the dispenser. Can you shut up? Then I put lever on the dispenser. Then you can use it like this. Look, this is super useful and make super much gunpowder. Let's look at here. Look, 4 gunpowder. It works so much. It works super much. I don't have a job. I will get job in 2 minutes, bro. I'm getting money from this mom. I'm making money. No, I not talk back. No. Don't hit me. Ei vitsit, eiku mitä?